Guys, I'm going to go over Wednesday's instructions with you because I've kind of changed up stuff a little bit. The only thing I've really changed is the daily attendance question. Instead of you posting your answers in the comments, I've created it as an actual assignment where you'll get a daily grade for it. It's really important that you guys answer the daily attendance question because I have to turn in this attendance information to the district. We're required by the district to have a way to record attendance every day on Google Classroom. So please make sure you check it. All right, so the daily attendance question is going to be at the top of the class stream when you log in. It'll look like what I just clicked on. When you click on it, your question for today is Netflix or Hulu, and give a brief explanation. I've given you guys an example right here, but you will type your answer in over here and then you'll hit turn in. And you can see your classmates' answers. You can reply to them. It doesn't matter. Now, when you're done, you will go back to the class stream and you'll see here after watching the instructional video, you're obviously going to answer the attendance question. The instructional video is the video that I am talking to you through right now. You're going to finish yesterday's assignment if you have not done so already. So, let's see. I'm just going to show you third hours for an example. So, this is Tuesday's assignment. If you watch this video right here, it shows you how to link your Google Classroom to Common Lit so that you have an account to do the assignment. If you couldn't figure out how to do it even after watching the video, I gave you a PDF version of it. You can open this PDF file anywhere. And you could have read the short nonfiction article. Okay, maybe not that short. And then answered questions 1 through 5 in a Google Doc and sent it to me. Now, several of you have finished this assignment. Let's look at who's done their assignment. So, looking at first hour, 14 people have answered the assignment. Great job, first hour. That is almost half of you. All right, let's see. Third hour. How many people have done the assignment? 8. Fourth hour. 5 of you have done the assignment. And seventh hour, 7 of you have done the assignment. Actually, 8 of you have done the assignment, but the first person who turned it in, you obviously just clicked and put crap down, and crap's what you got for a grade. All right, so when I originally assigned this to you guys, I did make the due date for this Wednesday at 2 a.m. I don't know how I did that. I guess I was not paying attention, but we're going to keep that due date. Alright, so that's why you're not having anything extra on Wednesday. This is simply your assignment for Tuesday. You're going to go ahead and finish it. On Thursday, I will post a new assignment. Make sure you are checking it. Make sure you are turning them in. Make sure you are letting me know if you have any questions. And that's all I have for you today. Let me know if you got any questions.